Now we're going to grant access to our Marketing Cloud Connect admin. So at least one person in the Salesforce org needs full access to configure Marketing Cloud Connect inside of our Sales, Service, or Community Cloud org. Once we've picked the right person to configure Marketing Cloud Connect, follow these steps to assign the permission to that user. So let's get started. So we're going to make sure we're in the Setup menu of Salesforce, and we're going to type in Users in the Quick Find box here and click Users. And we're going to click the person who's more than likely our Salesforce admin that we want to configure Marketing Cloud Connect inside of our Sales, Service, or Community Cloud org. So I'll click that person, and then I'll click Edit up by their user detail, and then I'll scroll down to Additional Information, and I'll click the Marketing Cloud for AppExchange Admin checkbox and the Marketing Cloud for AppExchange User checkbox. And then I'll click Save. And now we see that our user has Marketing Cloud for AppExchange Admin permission and Marketing Cloud for AppExchange User permission. And this person now has full access to configure Marketing Cloud Connect inside of this environment.